How to log out Gmail from phone, or how to log out or sign out of your Gmail account on your phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of your Gmail account from your phone. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. What you'll have to know is, in order to log out your Gmail account from your phone, you'll have to log out of your Google account as a whole. So you'll have to remove the account from your device in order to log out from Gmail. So for example, if you open up Gmail here, if you head into your account section, you'll see that there is no any option to log out or such. So what you can do is you can simply head into your settings on your device. On your settings, you will find the option that says accounts there. You can see accounts and backup here on the settings. You want to tap on it. Then you can see the manage accounts option, right? You want to tap on it there, and you want to choose the particular Gmail account that you wish to remove. And once you tap on it there, you'll find the option remove account. Simply tap on remove account. It'll ask you for confirmation and it'll ask you for phone security code, and once you do go through the security process, you'll be able to remove it. So this way you can easily log out Gmail from phone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.